Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here sharing my kit plans for June 2023. So there's actually 5 weeks that are majority in June, so quite a bit to get through, but I don't think it'll take us that long overall. So first up is May 29th through June 4th. This is Memorial Day weekend here in the US, so I kind of wanted a kit that was at least a little bit patriotic, but maybe not too patriotic. It's also the kind of de facto start of summer, so something a little bit summery I thought would also work out really well. So this kit is from Vintage Glam Studio. It's called Summer Flowers, and it just felt really appropriate. It's got like the red and the blue kind of vibes going on. The plaid I feel like is very patriotic seeming, but I thought it was cute and summery, and I thought it would be a really good kit for this week, so I'm excited to be using this. Next up is the week of June 5th through the 11th. Nothing in particular is happening that week, but I thought this kit from Itty Bitty Sticker Company, it's called Molly Loves Sushi. It's the mini kit. I've been hoarding this for a while at this point, and I feel like I should just use it. The colors are so summery, so I thought it would be perfect for this week, but it's all the cute sushis and mollies, and then I have kind of like a functional page, and then I have some bottom washi date covers and some boxes and things. Obviously I don't use that kind of standard vertical layout right now, but I think this kit is still going to work out really well for that. The third week is June 12th through the 18th. I'm going to use this kit from Planning Inspired. It's called Mermaids, as you might expect from all the mermaids, but it's fun and summery, so I thought it would be perfect for this week, and I think it's going to be pretty functional for me as well. Definitely lots of pieces I'll use, plus lots of deco, so I think that'll be fun. The fourth week is June 19th through the 25th, and that's the actual technical start of summer, the astronomical start of summer, if you will. So I wanted to use a kit that had like the Hello Summer vibes going on. So this kit is actually called Hello Summer. It's from Life with Mayra, and it's so cute with like the little fruits and the popsicle. So I thought that this would be perfect for this week, and I like all the bright colors and the fun summer vibes. And then the last week is June 26th through July 2nd. And for this week, instead of a sticker kit, I'm actually going to use this sticker book. This is from the Happy Planner. It's the Wrong Every Day. This is actually the mini size, but I think that's still going to work out really well for this planner because there's a lot of these kinds of boxes and then a lot of like this size box. So I think it's going to work out pretty well as a functional thing. And there's gold, there's silver, there's kind of this like red, orange, yellow vibes. There's blues and greens. There's purples and pinks. And then there's kind of like a more rainbow section. And then right at the back is a black focus section. So there's a lot of different colors and vibes in here. So I think it's going to be really fun to use this kit. So that's all I really have for today. I'm excited to use these kits for sure. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know which kit you're most excited to see me use down below. And then also let me know what kit you're most excited to use in June. I would love to hear about that as well. And then also follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You'll see in progress and finished spreads with all of these kits in my or Estelle B6 Daily. You'll also see bits and pieces of my other planners, my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.